Hey friends, Melissa here, and I just had to come in and give you this experience that just happened to me. As many of you know, I'm in the process of launching an upcoming webinar workshop that's this Thursday, and then I'll also be rolling that into a 3-day challenge as well as a group program. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the response that I got. So I've been sending out more emails than usual, and if you're on my email list, you know that you're getting those emails as well, and that's what you do, right? When you're launching something, you want to keep promoting, you want to keep sharing, you want to offer value, and you're looking for people to engage and sign up for the launch for the product that your product or service that you're selling. So this one email comes back today and he replied, "You're annoying." So how would you take that? What would you think if you sent out an email and it came back to you and it said you are annoying? Well, obviously the first thing our mind goes to, well, who do you think you are? And why do you think I'm annoying? And you don't even know me, right? We want to go down that path. But here's what we can do to flip that script. That means he's paying attention. That means he has seen emails from me. That means he's looking at them. And so for him to take time out of his day to hit reply and type "you're annoying" and send versus scrolling down to the end of the page and hitting unsubscribe, he just chose to voice his opinion at me. And that's okay, because what it tells me is my message is being seen. Others are looking at the content. It doesn't mean that I'm not annoying to everyone. And who knows, I probably am, and that's okay too. But I'm in my lane. I'm staying in my lane and not allowing that to bump me out, because I know that there's value in that when I can flip the script and be able to say yes. Oh, how do you get on your email list, Cindy? I will definitely put that in the link below. So I normally send a link or a newsletter once a week, maybe every other week. But this, like I said, this particular one, I'm gearing up for this launch that I have on Thursday. Hey, Neil, thanks for watching. But, how many times have we taken someone's opinion, someone's words that they've spoken out of context? Now, it's easy to do, right? Because we're always in the feel good. I want people to like me. I want them to say I have great shoes, or my purse is awesome, or my hair looks amazing. That's the kind of things that we're looking for, that we're not reactive to. It's when we hear those things, like even in a look, like a rolled eye or a huff or folding arms. It's when we look at those as in service for us, and service for us to align with what brought that on. Why did this gentleman take time out of his day to reply that I'm annoying? And Emily's here too. Hey, girl. And I know that all of you have probably experienced this in some way. And that's where I want to offer you that comfort of knowing it's okay. Because if I can value someone's opinion, whether it aligns with mine or not, then it's helpful in my system, keeps my vibration high, allows me to feel good, because I'm not putting myself down, feeling that to be true. I don't have to believe it, but I can reframe it. So what I offered is the reply to an email that I sent out was, "You're annoying." And at first I wanted to be trigger happy, reply back. Who do you think you are? Just unsubscribe. You're rude, whatever. But I've been in this business long enough to know that, oh, look at him. He's watching, he's seeing, he's reading. It's not that he wants to unsubscribe necessarily, but he did want to voice his opinion that he's getting too many emails in his inbox. And granted, he is, because if he's new to my subscription list, yep, he is. He's not used to getting an email from me every day, which I have been doing for the last 3 or 4 days. But, that's just how you grow your business. You just keep throwing the information out there. If they want to unsubscribe, that they can. Don't take it personal, because, I unsubscribe to things all the time myself, because it's just the content was there for me when I needed it, and it no longer has space for me to stay engaged with that person. So I'll unsubscribe. But many times I find myself going back to subscribing, like Gabby Bernstein or Marie Forleo or Hay House Publishing. Like, I'll unsubscribe and I resubscribe. So we go through seasons with things as well. But my main focus here is, don't take it personally if someone comes back with a negative response. I mean, you probably even get these in your news feeds with social media. Learn to read it. Think to yourself all the things you could say, do, reply, have that moment, because we all need that moment. And then look at how it's service for you. What is in that message that can really help you understand why you received the message to begin with. So him saying I'm being annoying, hell yes. He is seeing me. He is looking at my stuff, and he took time for me today. Thank you. Thank you for taking time to tell me that. And I don't have to take it personally, and I don't have to respond. I just have to know that the work that I'm doing is being noticed. Does that make sense? Any questions for my viewers that are on today? I love having this engagement. I'm super excited for Thursday's workshop. If you've not subscribed or not subscribed, we'll get you subscribed to my newsletter. I'll put that in the comments, but registered for the workshop. There's a 10 a.m. and an 8 p.m. It'll go about 30 to 45 minutes. And it's just really going to get you in alignment with scaling your mind, money, and momentum. And then from there, we're going to have some other opportunities to work with me beyond that workshop, because I can just see how important, not only for myself, but for my clients and for those who I've been having conversations with, of taking those three things, linking them together, and having a trifecta to be able to start from there. You know, I rebranded here recently. My butterfly has the lighthouse in the middle. I'm all about building your light in the bedrock, no more on sand. And these are the three things that I recognized on my own journey recently and helping others how important it is. Let's see. Emily says, this is a big lesson I've learned working with you. I love having Emily as one of my clients. There's no way, look, I just lost my vision on that. I can see without my glasses for a minute. What the heck? And then I'm like, wait a minute. Yes, they're not my people, right? Yes. But you're still putting yourself out there. That's right. And that's it. It's just, they're not my people. Some will, some won't. So what? Who's next, right? I learned that in sales a long time ago. So I hope this is in service to you today. If you ever get something like that, and even to vent about it like I am now, just to be able to share that, it makes me chuckle. And to have you guys here hearing it and just receiving it, to know that we can just laugh about it. And, you know, some people have good days and some people have bad days, but it's all in service for us. It's all about taking yourself to that next level, being able to continue moving forward with the confidence and clarity to boldly step into whatever that looks like for the next version of you. So that's all I have for now. I'll put those links in the comment for the workshop, as well as to subscribe to my newsletter, and then comment below anything else you need to know. And yeah, I can't wait. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye for now.